Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this lesson, we are going to solve this nice SAT question. But it says find the value of 4 to the power of 25 plus 4 to the power of 25. To solve this question, I want to start with a very simple rule. It says a plus a equals a plus a, right? 2, 8. Right, very simple but handy. Look, 4 to the power of 25 plus 4 to the power of 25. I wanna rewrite it as 2 times 4 to the power of 25. But what is the next step? As you know, 4 equals 2 times 2 equals 2 to the power of 2. Therefore, it's gonna be 2 times 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 25. But what is the answer of 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 25? Next rule, it says a to the power of m raised to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n. Now we are going to use this rule to continue the solution. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 25. It's gonna be 2 times 2 multiplied by 25. All right. 2 to the power of 2 times 25 equals 2 to the power of 50. Therefore, I want to rewrite it as 2 times 2 to the power of 50. But what is the answer of 2 times 2 to the power of 50? Next rule, let me write it here. A to the power of m times a to the power of n. Same base, different exponent. It is enough we write one base and add the exponent a plus n. Therefore, the answer gonna be 2 to the power of 1 plus 50 equals 2 to the power of 51. And this is our answer, option A. No option B is the answer. Have fun.